Hi everyone, I'm here today at Huawei's data storage exhibition booth, and we're going to take a look at some data protection solutions. Thankfully, today we have an expert with us. Can you introduce yourself to the audience?
Yes, hello everyone. My name is Song He from Storage Product Line and responsible for data protection solution planning. So today I bring two solutions for everyone. Here have the dedicated backup storage. Second one is the backup appliance. So for this product, do you have any question or some point you care about?
Sure, let's start with the backup storage. What are some key features that you want people to know about at home?
So there are four important abilities that the customer really care about. The first is about the cost. And for our Ocean Protect, we can achieve the 72.1, can bring very low cost to customer. And the second one is important ability is about the performance. So performance for this Ocean Protect X1000, we have the active designs, and that means no matter which controller failed, you will not interrupt your backup system and backup task. And the third one is this hardware supports the traditional HDD configuration and also the SSD configuration. So in this year, we will support 15 terabytes NVMe SSD, and the next half a year, we will support 30 terabytes NVMe SSD. And with this configuration, we can see here for backup and recovery performance, we support 155 terabytes per hour backup performance, and support 172 terabytes per hour recovery performance. And the last one is about the security. In this hardware, we put the end-to-end security software ability inside it. It includes like the encryption and for the physical air gap and the anti-ransomware detection and analysis. So all the abilities we put in this hardware to give you the high reliability, good performance, and high security. Yeah, this is for our dedicated backup storage.
Can you explain the difference between backup storage and backup appliance?
Yeah, this is a good question. And for the backup appliance, the key difference here is for the backup appliance, we provide the Huawei self-developed backup software. What's the difference here is we published the new architecture for the backup appliance. It will consist of two parts. First is software layer. We offload the traditional like the duplication and compression, worm and security. All the process need the metadata. We offload to the hardware, and with this architecture and hardware and software interworking with each other, it can provide a very higher performance and good efficiency and reliability. Yeah, that's all.
So for these two different solutions though, what are the different scenarios that they'd be used in?
Yeah, for these scenarios, if for example the customer already buys the backup software, they can just buy the backup storage, and we have the deep integration with the industrial backup software like the Vim, Commvault, and the Veritas data backup. So this is for the dedicated backup storage, integrated backup software. And for this product, in this scenario, especially for the customer, they have the independent backup system. They can just buy the appliance. It includes the backup software and the backup hardware. It's a all-in-one solution. So with that, customer no need to buy independent backup software.
Okay, that sounds interesting. But then, can you give some examples of like industry applications where these two solutions are being used?
Yeah, for this backup appliance, we support like the traditional the DB2, the Oracle, VMware file, SAP HANA, and the SQL Server. A lot of different kind of applications we can support.
But how about you give us an introduction to ransomware and why it's so important that anti-ransomware is something that all companies have?
Yeah, so now everyone knows that now the ransomware risk really become a big risk, especially for the bank and the government and some big enterprise. So the anti-ransomware ability is really important for the enterprise customers.
So then what solutions does Huawei have for ransomware?
Yeah, you know, Huawei have the advantages, especially in network and the storage part. So based on these advantages, we have the network and storage interworking anti-ransomware solutions. You can see the screens. First one, everyone knows that the virus of the ransomware is cross from the host to the network and to the storage. So for the network part, based on the situational awareness, we can find if there have some risk happened in the network part. If the network part find some risk happens, it will automatically to tell storage part, and the storage part will automatically to create a security snapshot to make sure you always have a secure snapshot to support your recovery the business. And the second ability is for the storage part. For storage part, the first layer is the storage have various library. So the virus come to the storage part, we can detect an analysis for the exciting virus and to find the risk to isolation and delete it. And for the second layer of the storage that we have, everyone knows that storage is the most close to the data. So we can sense and aware this through the I/O size, I/O feature, and to analysis if there have any risk in the storage part. So this is the second layer. And for the third layer in the storage part, that's based on the storage snapshot. For example, we create two snapshots in different time, and we compare these two snapshots and to check and to analysis to find if there have any abnormal activity and abnormal feature, and to find if there have any risk. Okay, next let us make a brief summary. So the Huawei can provide the network and the storage internal working anti-ransomware solutions. So from the network and the storage side, they can totally work with each other to avoid the ransomware come to your production system and help to and make sure that you always have a security snapshot to support your recovery, your business. Okay, thank you.